In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 increase, 3 single crochets for 8 times. 3 single crochets first. Also mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, 3 single crochets. Okay, 3 single crochets, 1 increase, and 3 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 3 single crochets, 1 increase, and 3 single crochets as 1 set. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. 8 sets are done. Finally, 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 9 is done. In rounds 10 to 12, work 1 chain stitch, 64 single crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch for each round. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. There will be 64 single crochets in total. Mark the first stitch. Please finish rounds 10 to 12 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 64 single crochets, and finally 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 12 is done. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, 3 single crochets for 8 times. 3 single crochets first. Also mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease, which is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop again. Yarn 1 hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. That's 1 decrease. Method 2. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop. Then insert your hook into next stitch and pull up loop again. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn 1 hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on hook. That's 1 decrease. Next, work 3 single crochets. Okay, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 3 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 3 single crochets as 1 set. Please finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. 8 sets are done. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 13 is done. In round 14, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 56 single crochets. Finally, work 1 snip stitch to join this round. First, work 1 chain stitch. Then, work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. There will be 56 single crochets in total. Also, mark the first stitch. Keep working the remaining single crochets. Please finish the rest single crochets by yourself. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. Round 14 is done. In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work a set of 5 single crochets, 1 decrease for 8 times. 5 single crochets first. Also, mark the first stitch. Continue to work 4 more single crochets. Next, 1 decrease. Insert hook into next stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Repeat 1 more time. Then yarn 1 hook, pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 decrease. 5 single crochets and 1 decrease are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. We work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. 8 sets are done. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 15 is done.